Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Daphnee Lagredelle, the small business strategist, and today I'm here for another video, and this one is a business video. The step to start an ATM machine business. So some of you already know that I own an ATM machine business for the past 4 years, and today I'm here to give you some insight on how to start this business. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get all those great content. Now, let's get started with how do you start an ATM machine business. Um, how you start is by saying to yourself, hey, I want to get started now. I don't want to wait any longer. I want to take action. That's what I meant to say. Because some of you want to start a business, but you guys are not willing to take actions because you guys are afraid of a risk, or because somebody else is telling you that you shouldn't start a business. Let me tell you that starting a business is very rewarding, and there are a lot of things, great perks. Also, it requires you to be patient, to have discipline, to be very organized, and to just start. To start an ATM machine business, the first thing you need to do, you need to do your research about is this business is for you, and what you need to do to start, right? So the second thing is you need to register for a license in the state that you are in, or you can and also in the get an LLC or S corporation. All right, so that's the second step. The third step you need to do to start an ATM machine is this. You need to make sure, I always tell people, you secure your brand. So don't be walking around building businesses and your brand is not secure, okay? Secure that brand. And the other thing is when you're applying, after you get the business license, you apply for an EIN number, okay, and you get a LLC. So you need to open a business bank account. So most of the time when you go to the bank, they will ask you, what do you need this why are you opening this business bank account? Please don't go and tell them that because you have an ATM machine, because you can get in you'll find out the wrong way, the hard way, like I did. And the other step will be after you get your paperwork together, your bank account, your IN number, your LLC, all right, you need to do another research, which is location. You need to find the best location for that business, because in the ATM machine business, it's all about location, location, location. So, location means what? It could be a laundromat, it could be a barber shop, it could be a nail salon, it could be a hotel, it could be a motel. It's a location where you see people in a business, like where restaurant, it could be anywhere, as long as you see there's a lot of traffic and people are patronizing this area. So please, please, please find your great location for that business, because if you don't have a great location and you just get started, you put your ATM machine there, and hey, you will find out the hard way. And the other step will be, after the fact, is to order the machine, right? So there are different brand out there. So you need to do the research to find the different brand that you're looking for, or the best one, and get a machine. So some people like to have refurbished machines. I would not tell anybody to get a refurbished machine unless you know what you're doing. However, if a refurbished machine is what you want, look in eBay. You need to go to eBay, take a look at it, or Craigslist, because I know a few people that I know purchased an ATM machine from Craigslist, but after 3 months, the machine started to, not working and giving them issues. So I don't want any issues. So it's, if you are very handy and you would like to get a refurbish, go ahead and do so. So the thing about getting a brand new ATM machine, there are businesses that sell those ATM machine from like let's say 2,500 to like $7,000, depending on the type of machine that you are looking for, and you know, whatever brand and type that you're looking for. So after the fact, the other step will be when you get the location, you need to draw a contract. Please, if you find a location, let's say if you find a doctor's office or a restaurant, you're about to, station there, please, you need to speak to the restaurant owner or the business owner. Speak to them, draw a contract, tell them in the contract what exactly that you're getting and what you're not getting. Please be very specific, and please use terms that are that's going to help you. Okay. Then after the fact, when you're done drawing the contract, both of you sign because you both are okay and happy with the outcome. Then what you need to do now is to place the machine inside of this place, and you need to be also aware of um, um, if the machine breaks down, whatever happened. If it's full, you need to withdraw the money. If there is no receipt, how to add receipts. And when you after you position the machine in that business owner's place, or what you need to do is you need to make sure that you have Wi-Fi for this machine, it's working properly. And be aware, make sure you check, because there will be the dashboard where you can check to see what's happening. And make sure that you set up the appropriate fees, because when people use the ATM, they have to pay a fee to use it, because it's a convenience, right? So because it is a convenience, so hey, you can inconvenience yourself and not charging a fee, so you need to charge a fee for this. So if you need more information about how to start an ATM machine, you want more details, you want to do it step by step, please click on the link down below, and in the description box, I listed my information that you can get in contact with me so we can help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Daphnee Lagredelle, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.